Hey y'all, welcome to Channel Fresco. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare these yummy chicken strips. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to prepare all my spices. So I took some garlic salt, some black pepper, parsley, paprika, and some cayenne pepper. Put them all in a small bowl and I mix them. Well, as far as measurements is concerned, let me say a teaspoon of each, and you can mix. It all depends on how much chicken you're going to make. This goes for 2 chicken breasts, so it was enough for that. And as you can see here, I've got my cup of flour that I've mixed with the spices. And here I'm having 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurt. Give that all a nice mix and add half a cup of milk. Now I'm preparing my chicken breasts. So I've cut them in half and slicing them up into strips. I'm coating my strips with the spice mixture that I've prepared, and I forgot to mention that you also add your favorite seasoning, which is any spice that is pre-made of your choice to the herbs and that I have already told you how to prepare. So here I am now mixing or spicing up my chicken strips. I am now coating my chicken or dipping it into the mixture that I've prepared earlier on, that has the milk, the yogurt and spices and flour. Then in a separate bowl I've got flour that I am now dipping the the strips in. I'm preferring to use vegetable oil, which I'm going to heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and adding my strips one at a time until they fit the pan or the pot that you'll be using. So you just toss and turn your strips until they are nice and golden. And that's it, your 5-minute chicken strip recipe. Enjoy!